Welcome back to the Car Updates. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. The 2026 Fortuner sports a wider, bolder front grille, sharp LED headlamps with a futuristic signature, and a more sculpted body that looks athletic yet premium. The stance is muscular, with larger alloy wheels, aggressive wheel arches, and a redesigned rear profile featuring sleeker tail lamps and a sporty bumper. The SUV maintains its rugged DNA but now feels more urban-friendly, appealing to families as well as adventure seekers. Step inside, and Toyota has made sure the cabin reflects modern luxury with a functional twist, premium leather upholstery, a larger 12-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ambient lighting, and an improved digital driver's display make the SUV feel futuristic. Passenger comfort is prioritized with ventilated seats, multiple charging ports, improved sound insulation, and a panoramic sunroof, a feature long awaited in this segment. The third row also gets more space thanks to clever interior packaging, making it friendlier for long journeys. Under the hood, the 2026 Fortuner introduces new powertrain options. Buyers can choose between the proven diesel engine, now paired with mild hybrid technology for better fuel economy, and a more refined petrol-hybrid variant that balances performance with efficiency. Power delivery remains strong, with outputs ranging around 200 to 250 horsepower depending on the variant, paired with a 6-speed manual or a smooth automatic gearbox. For enthusiasts, Toyota has tuned the SUV for stronger torque delivery.